Are you struggling to get approved for a cash boost on Credit Genie? Or are you wondering why your application keeps getting turned down even though you have money coming into your bank account? You are far from alone. Millions of people turn to cash advance apps when unexpected bills pop up or when there is too much month left at the end of the money. But the frustration of hitting a brick wall during the approval process can leave you feeling completely stuck and stressed out. The big question everyone asks is simple. What are the exact Credit Genie eligibility requirements, and how can you make sure you actually qualify? When you apply for financial tools like Credit Genie, you are not dealing with a traditional credit check or standard loan application. There is no hard pull on your credit report, which sounds great at first, but it also means the algorithm looks at your everyday banking habits with a magnifying glass. If you do not meet their specific baseline criteria, the app will deny your request instantly, often without giving you a clear explanation of what went wrong. Let's break down the exact baseline parameters you must meet just to open an account and request an advance. First, you must be at least 18 years old and a legal citizen or resident of the United States. You need a valid social security number for identity verification, an active mobile phone number capable of receiving SMS verification codes, and a primary email address. Furthermore, Credit Genie is only accessible via its mobile application on iOS or Android, meaning you must have a compatible smartphone and enough storage to run the app properly. However, passing the basic profile setup is only the first step. The real roadblock for most users lies in the bank account eligibility requirements. Credit Genie uses third-party financial aggregators like Plaid to securely connect to your primary checking account and evaluate your real-time cash flow. If your linked bank account fails to meet several strict parameters, you will not qualify for a cash boost. Your connected checking account must be a personal checking account. Business accounts or prepaid debit card accounts generally do not pass the system's evaluation. The account must be fully open and active for at least 90 days. If you recently opened a new bank account or switched banks last month, the algorithm cannot gather enough historical data to assess your risk, and your advance request will be put on hold until that 90-day mark is reached. Income consistency is the next major factor. Credit Genie looks for a steady pattern of recurring direct deposits. Typically, the platform wants to see consistent monthly direct deposits, such as regular paychecks from an employer, government benefits, or steady gig economy payouts, totaling at least $750 over the previous 90-day period. These deposits must occur at regular intervals, usually no more than 16 days apart if you are paid bi-weekly or semi-monthly. If your income is irregular, paid in physical cash, or deposited sporadically, the system struggles to verify your capability to repay, leading to an automatic denial. Your account balance history matters just as much as your income. The algorithm scans your daily ending balances over the past 3 months to check for stability. If your account frequently dips into a negative balance, hits zero, or incurs multiple overdraft and non-sufficient funds fees, Credit Genie views your account as high risk. To pass, you need to show a consistent positive balance history, proving that your account maintains a safety buffer after your regular expenses are paid out. It is also crucial to understand how Credit Genie operates regarding its subscription structure. Access to platform features requires linking your bank account and enrolling in a paid monthly membership, which costs $9.99 per month. A common trap many users fall into is assuming that paying the monthly membership fee guarantees access to a cash boost. It does not. The $9.99 membership covers general financial management tools, budgeting features, and account monitoring. You can pay the membership fee and still be deemed ineligible for a cash advance if your banking activity does not meet the underwriting standards. If you realize you do not qualify for a cash boost and do not wish to use the budgeting tools, you must manually disconnect your bank account or cancel your subscription inside the app settings to stop the recurring monthly charge. State regulations also play a role in your eligibility. Depending on local financial laws, certain features or services like earn opportunities or specific advance terms may not be available in states like Connecticut, Maryland, Nevada, Hawaii, or Washington, D.C. If you currently do not qualify or if you are offered a very small advance, such as $10 or $20, do not panic. Credit Genie often starts new users with smaller limits ranging from $10 to $100 to lower their risk profile. The actionable takeaway here is to treat that initial small boost as a stepping stone. If you accept a small advance and repay it promptly on your agreed due date, you establish a positive repayment history within the app. Over time, as your connected checking account maintains consistent direct deposits and avoids overdrafts, Credit Genie's algorithm automatically reevaluates your account and gradually increases your available advance limit toward the maximum threshold. To maximize your chances of getting approved, focus on optimizing your linked bank account before applying. Ensure all your primary income is routed via direct deposit into that single checking account. Keep the connection active for more than 90 days. Maintain a small positive cushion at all times, and avoid frequent transfer attempts between multiple unlinked accounts. By aligning your daily banking habits with what the algorithm wants to see, you can clear the eligibility hurdles and unlock the financial flexibility you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.